Alright guys, so here's where we are at with the passenger side. Of course, you know, I got it all together. I have all the springs on. And I'm trying to hook up the self-adjuster and the new cable that it comes with. This one right here. You can see that's about the length. That's one of the new ones. On this side, I have the original one. You can see how much longer that is. And then it reaches down to below this bolt. Well, on this side, we barely reach below that bolt. And let's leave that there. That's about as far as that's gonna reach. If I try to put in, excuse me, a little bracket, which it's about roughly right here. That is nowhere near reaching that. So I'm not entirely sure where the original one is for this side. It wasn't including the hardware that I was given, so I gotta find that. And then I have to take this all back apart because the new part was wrong. Yay.